In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Vultr with an SSH key. This guide provides a step-by-step walkthrough of generating, adding, and using SSH keys to securely access your Vultr server, ensuring a smoother and more secure connection. Let's kick things off by generating your SSH key. If you don't already have one, you'll first need to generate it. You can start this process by clicking on the Generate SSH Key option, usually found in your local terminal application on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. This step is crucial as SSH keys provide a secure way of accessing your server without the need for a password. Once you've clicked Generate, run the command SSH keygen in your terminal to create a new key pair. Follow the prompts and you'll generate both a private and public key. Next, we'll move on to add this SSH key to your Vultr account. Begin by logging into your Vultr dashboard and navigate to your account settings. Here, look for the SSH keys option, click on it, and then select Add SSH Key. You'll need to paste your public key, usually found in idrasa.pub, into the provided field. Give it a memorable name so you can easily identify it later. Then, click Add SSH Key. Adding your SSH key is a vital step that ensures only authorized keys can access your server. Now, it's time to deploy a server using your new SSH key. Head back to the Vultr dashboard and go to Products, then click on Deploy New Server. During the setup process, there will be an option under SSH keys where you can select the key you just added. Choose your key and proceed to deploy the server by clicking Deploy Now. This integration of SSH keys at the deployment stage ensures that only systems with the corresponding private key can connect to your server. Once your server is up and running, you'll need the server's IP address for connection. Retrieve it by selecting Get Server IP from the server dashboard. Copy this public IP as you'll need it to connect via SSH. Let's connect to your server now. Open your terminal or a program like PuTTY. If you're using the terminal, enter the command sssa root at your server outer IP. The connection will automatically utilize your private key, meaning no password entry is needed, which enhances the security and simplicity of your server interaction. If you're using PuTTY and your private key is in the .pm format, you'll need to convert it to git.pk using PuTTygen. Open PuTTY, head over to the session settings, and input your server's hostname as root at your server IP. Then navigate to Connection, followed by SSH and auth. Here, browse for your e.ppk file to use for authentication. Finally, click Open to connect to your Vultr server. By following these steps, you've now securely accessed your Vultr server using an SSH key, ensuring both a robust security layer and a user-friendly setup experience. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!